Hi students, that is 10 plus 1 mathematics classes. We are already starts the exercise 7.3 chapter 7. We are taking a questions, that is question number first, second and third and fourth. Already 10. We are taking question number 5th. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and vice chairman post, assuming one person cannot hold more than one positions? So we are taking two position only. First position chairman and second position vice chairman. We are get total 8 person. So first we select the chairman. So choice, that is choice 8, and one person be the chairman. So remaining one person selected as chairman, remaining person, that is 7, and post becomes 1. It's choice 7 also. So number of ways to select chairman and vice chairman, that is 56. You get an answers. We are taking question number 6. Find n minus 1 p3 upon np4 equal to 1 upon 9. So we know the formula npr equal to factorial n minus r. Using this formula we get n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 minus 3 factorial. So np4 using the formula n factorial n minus 4 factorial, and same as 1 upon 9. We write down n minus 1 factorial upon minus 1 and minus 3 n minus 4 factorial. Also we are taking n minus 4 factorial and n factorial equal to 1 upon 9. So we cancel out this, and this can be written as n minus 1 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial equal to 1 upon 9. Also cancelled out. So 1 upon n equal to 1 upon 9 and n equal to 9. You get an answers, n equal to 9. We are getting another question. We are taking question number 7. First part, 5pr equal to 2 into 6pr minus 1. So using the formula npr equal to n factorial n minus r factorial. Using this formula 5 factorial, 5 minus r factorial, and 2 into 6 factorial, and 6 minus r plus 1 factorial. So 5 factorial upon 5 minus r factorial equal to 2. 6 can be write down 6 into 5 factorial, and this will be 6 plus 1, that is 7 minus r factorial. We can see the 5 factorial. So 1 upon 5 minus r can be written as 5 minus r factorial, that is 12 upon 7 minus r, 7 minus r, 6 minus r, and 5 minus r factorials. This can be written as, we cancel out. After cross multiplication, 7 minus r, 6 minus r equal to 12. We multiply 7 by 6, that is 42, minus 7r minus 6r plus r square equal to 12. So this can be written r square and minus 13r plus 42 minus 12 equal to 0. R square minus 13R plus में 30 equal to 0. So 10 3s are using the method of factorization. So 10R minus 3R plus में 30 equal to 0. We are taking R common, R minus 10 minus 3 common, R minus 10 equal to 0. R minus 10 common, R minus 3 equal to 0. So R minus 10 equal to 0 and R minus 3 equal to 0. R equal to 10 and R equal to 3. Find out the value of R here. So look here, because n becomes the 5 or 6, so we are not taking R equal to 10. So R becomes the less than or equal to n. So we select the value R equal to 3. We get your answers. At last we given some homework. Student, you are trying to question number 7, second part, question number 8, question number 9, 10, 11. So try these questions. If any problems, you contact me. That is my today's class. Thanks a lot.